How to fix if you can't install WhatsApp on Google Play Store. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings. In Settings, scroll down to Apps and Notifications. Click on it. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on See All Apps. After you click on See All Apps, in here you'll find all your apps. Scroll down till you find Google Play Store and click on it. After you click on Google Play Store, go to Storage and Cache, and then clear cache. After you've cleared cache, go back to the app list. In here, search for Google Play Services and click on it. After you click on Google Play Services, go to Storage and Cache again, and then clear cache. Your problem will be fixed, and if this does not work, what you can do is go to Settings, go to Storage at the bottom, and see if you have storage available in your device or not. Sometimes, if there is no space, you won't be able to download the app. Or you can also simply restart your device. After you restart, try to install it again and you're good to go. This is how to fix if you can't install WhatsApp on Google Play Store. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.